Is Google's Pixel 8a really better than the Samsung Galaxy A55? We find out. Google and Samsung have long distinguished themselves in the mid-range phones market. Their latest offerings, the Pixel 8a and Galaxy A55, fight for consumer attention with some impressive hardware and software for the price. It's a battle of innovation and performance, including AI, but one important note to consider: while we've had the opportunity to review the Galaxy A55, the Pixel 8a remains unexplored territory, for now. Look out for our full review soon. Nevertheless, armed with the specs and insights we have, let's delve into the comparison to determine which device deserves your hard-earned cash. Differences between the Pixel 8a and the Galaxy A55. Design and build. Both the Pixel 8a and the Galaxy A55 sport modern designs with slim bezels and sleek finishes. The Pixel 8a, with its dimensions of 152.4 by 73.6 by 10.1 mm and weighing 192 g, looks to be compact and comfortable to hold. It features a refined A-series design with rounded edges, matte back and polished aluminum frame for comfort and durability. With the Gorilla Glass 3 and an IP67 rating, it can withstand slips, spills and dust, making it the sturdiest A-series phone yet. It introduces two new colors, Aloe and Bay, alongside traditional options like porcelain and obsidian. However, the 256GB model is only available in the latter. On the other hand, the Galaxy A55 measures 161.1 by 77.4 by 8.2 mm and weighs 213 g, offering a slightly larger footprint. The phone boasts a premium build, featuring an aluminum frame and glass back. It also stands out with a unique raised housing for the power and volume buttons. It steps down to Gorilla Glass Victus Plus 4 durability but maintains the same IP67 rating for water and dust resistance. The A55 is available in various color options, including Awesome Ice Blue, Awesome Navy, Awesome Lilac and Awesome Yellow. While the Pixel 8a comes in a range of vibrant colors, the Galaxy A55 offers more muted, sophisticated options. However, it's a matter of personal preference, so this round is a tie. Screen and speakers. Both devices feature impressive OLED displays with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth and crisp visuals. The Pixel 8a boasts a 6.1-inch FHD Plus panel, while the Galaxy A55 takes it up a notch with a larger 6.6-inch FHD Plus screen. While the Galaxy A55 gets the same 1000 nit brightness from the A54, the new Actua display in the Pixel 8a is 40% brighter than its predecessor, the Pixel 7a. But both can get very bright, so your decision here comes down to which display size suits you best. In terms of speakers, both phones offer stereo setups, with the A55 delivering decent clarity. This round is a close call, but the Pixel 8a takes the lead by a hair's breadth. Specs and performance. The Pixel 8a is powered by the latest Google Tensor G3 chip and equipped with many of the same advanced AI features as the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, like Best Take, Audio Magic Eraser and more. With the certified Titan M2 security chip and built-in VPN, it also offers additional protection against threats. The Pixel 8a comes equipped with 8GB of RAM and 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. However, it does not have a microSD slot. The Galaxy A55 features the Exynos 1480 chip, an upgrade from its predecessor, providing smoother performance thanks to its higher clock speed and energy-efficient 4nm process. Backed by 8GB of RAM, it offers improved performance in CPU benchmarks compared to the Galaxy A54, also outperforming competitors like the Google Pixel 7a, but we still have to wait for the Pixel 8a's results. However, it falls slightly short in GPU performance, making it suitable for everyday tasks but not ideal for heavy gaming. The device offers storage options of 128GB or 256GB, with the option to expand via a microSD slot. With 5G connectivity, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and NFC, both phones are also well equipped in terms of connectivity for a mid-range device. In terms of pure performance, we don't know what the situation is for now. However, looking at previous models, we can draw some conclusions. In our Geekbench 5 multi-core test, the Pixel 7a with Tensor G2 received 2,720 points. However, the Galaxy A54 with Exynos 1380 came out on top with a score of 2,852. In contrast, the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, both having the same new Tensor G3 as the Pixel 8a, scored 2,197 and 3,110 points respectively. Looking at the difference between the predecessors of the phones in question and the fact that the Pixel 8 received a score significantly lower than A54, it is safe to assume that the situation will be the same this time too. So, expect similar performance between the Pixel 8a and the Galaxy A55, with benchmark results still to come. Cameras. In the field of smartphone photography, both Google and Samsung have proven themselves over the last few years, even at this price point. The Pixel 8a features a 64MP main camera coupled with a 13MP ultra-wide lens. On the front is a 13MP selfie camera. It's actually the same setup as in the Pixel 7a, so besides potential software improvements, we pretty much know what to expect. The main camera on the 7a excels in various lighting conditions, producing crisp, detailed photos with rich, natural colors and excellent dynamic range. Challenges include occasional focus issues at close range, exacerbated by the absence of a dedicated macro mode. The ultra-wide lens performs well in good lighting, but decreased detail and increased glare in low-light situations aren't ideal. While lacking a dedicated telephoto lens, the camera app offers a 2x digital zoom, which isn't bad. Like the 7a, the Pixel 8a also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second across all lenses, with the main camera capable of 60 frames per second. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A55 opts for a 50MP main shooter, backed by a 12MP ultra-wide and 5MP macro lens. On the front is a 32MP selfie camera. It also maintains the same camera setup as its predecessor, the Galaxy A54. While the main camera produces detailed images with vibrant colors in good lighting conditions, night shots exhibit some graininess and softness. On the other hand, the ultra-wide camera offers versatility but lacks consistency compared to the main sensor. The macro camera delivers passable close-up shots, but we consider it superfluous. However, despite the absence of a dedicated telephoto lens, 2x shots are solid thanks to cropping capabilities. The front camera captures natural-looking selfies with good subject definition and background blur. Video recording capabilities include 4K at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second. While both setups are capable of capturing impressive shots, the strength of Google's software-based image processing may give it the slight upper hand again. Battery life and charging. When it comes to staying powered throughout the day, battery capacity plays a crucial role. The Pixel 8a comes equipped with a typical 4,492 mAh battery. Google claims it lasts for at least 24 and up to 72 hours with extreme battery saver mode turned on. It offers the same 18W wired charging and Qi-certified 7.5W wireless charging as the Pixel 7a. Expect it to get up to 38% in half an hour, meaning you'll need to set aside an hour or two to get a full charge. In comparison, the Galaxy A55 boasts a slightly bigger 5,000 mAh battery, proving to be ample and efficient. It exhibits strong stamina in everyday use, with impressive battery life lasting up to 2 days of normal usage between charges. At 25W, it actually outperforms both the Pixel 7a and the Pixel 8a in charging speeds. It gets to around 50% from empty in 30 minutes of charging. The absence of wireless charging is not surprising at this price point, although the Pixel 8a offers this feature. However, overall faster charging speed and higher battery capacity gives the Galaxy A55 the advantage. Software and apps. Both devices run on the latest Android 14 out of the box, offering a seamless and intuitive user experience. However, the Pixel 8a benefits from the same Google optimizations and 7 years of software updates as the flagship Pixel 8 series, ensuring peak performance and security for longer. What's more, thanks to the new Tensor G3 chip, it offers advanced AI features, such as Circle to Search, Best Take and Magic Editor. Pixel 8a also introduces audio emojis, enhancing phone calls with expressive audio reactions triggered by tapping emojis. Meanwhile, Samsung's One UI 6.1 adds its own layer of customization and features to the Galaxy A55. However, while it gives you a user experience comparable to the flagship Galaxy S24 series, it doesn't offer its advanced AI features. However, all Google Photos users now get AI-based photo editing tools. So, you will be able to use them on the Galaxy A55. One UI provides a familiar interface known for its smoothness, flexibility, and rich features, although some users may find it busy compared to stock Android on the Pixel 8a. Samsung promises 4 years of major OS upgrades and up to 5 years of security updates for the Galaxy A55, making it fall behind the Pixel 8a. Choice here ultimately boils down to personal preference, but the Pixel 8a's close integration with Google's ecosystem, exclusive AI features and longer OS support gives it an edge. Verdict. Considering the overall comparison, the Pixel 8a emerges as the better buy for users prioritizing design, screen quality, camera performance, and software features. However, if longer battery life and faster charging are critical factors, the Galaxy A55 presents a compelling alternative. It is also cheaper in the UK, with even the 256GB model being £10 less, if the tighter budget is the case for you. If you're based in the US, there's no competition, only the Pixel 8a is available there. It'll be interesting to see what we think of the Pixel 8a in our full review. Will it still be the better choice? Thank you for watching. See you next videos.